Oh, is that my Uber Eats?
Are you kidding me? This is Dolce Gabbana, look. They sent me this amazing, oh my God, what do they say? Dear Pasta Queen, we are big fans. Can't wait to see the deliciousness you create. Oh, look at this cute card. Of course, they work with the best, Pastificio di Martino, my friend Giuseppe. Let's see what they have in this. I'm so excited. Oh, guys, little placemats. Oh, I love them, look. They're double-sided. Special edition Dolce Gabbana. Penne mezzani rigate. Eliche giganti. Some more penne. And my favorite, spaghetti. Oh yes, they know me well. Spaghetti is my favorite shape, guys. Is this a cute little toaster? Look at that. This is a Smeg custom Dolce Gabbana toaster. I am so curious. Oh, so pretty. I just feel this is just gorgeous. Look at this. Isn't this gorgeous? Look at that. Look at those details. It's like a little work of art. A painting of beauty. I love it. It's gonna look so good in my kitchen. Thank you, guys. Love you. And remember, pasta drama, Dolce and Gabbana. It's Veni Vidi Vici. It's time for the Italians to take their rightful place. Here. You arrive and you go. Bye. Oh, look at that. Oh, it's so beautiful. It's so pretty. I'm not joking. I'm actually I'm really emotional about it. Look, and its sister, the blender. Oh, you're reunited. Look at this. It's so pretty. I don't know how you stop it. I guess you don't stop it. Oh. It's Dolce Gabbana.